except I think on the Oldsmobile had something similar because I remember having to reach over, and it wasn't right on the clutch. You had to reach over. There was a lot of
Hey, motor man.
He was telling us what types of wagons they were, and he got over to this little black one here, and he said, he named the type of it. He said, but they all became known as Studebakers because Studebaker made so many wagons and buggies, and that was this guy. And so he turned to the crowd, and there were about 24 guys here. And he said, if you hooked up a horse to this thing, how far do you think you could, if you hooked up a horse to this and you got your wife or your girlfriend in it, how far do you think you could go in an hour? And he said, well, with the wife or the girlfriend?
What was the answer?
About 5 to 7 miles.